Hello and welcome to this fourth tutorial on PSCAD. So I'm working with a 13 IEEE feeder node and I get this error that there's a singularity, a zero diagonal encounter. This occurrence is at node 76. So according to PSCAD, this happens when there's a floating part circuit, but how do you actually find node number 76? So what you do is go to View and then go to Panes and then go to Search. Right here on Search, click on Current Project. In my case, I only have this system and this module. Click on Node 76, click on and then Search. And then right here is going to say a wire and then a component, right? So if you click right here, it's going to say, oh, this is where the error occurs. So on my case, what most likely happened is I had the multimeter before the breaker and I should change it to after the breaker. But right here you can also see the component, in this case like the breaker that's connected to wire number 76. It's actually a pretty useful tool, and I will move around, I'll fix it and I'll come back. Okay, so now you move it and then just select on wire node and then you can just like fix it. Remember, start left click and then end right click, and let's see if that changed my errors. Yep. All right. So now we see how we had a successful success message and everything's running fine. Thank you for your attention.